In the previous video, we sewed the flags to the white box by identifying the sections on the flag that we want to sew to the white box in 3 separate sections. We can use the concept of the 1M free sewing in order to do this in the reverse direction with the addition of our shift key like we did with segment sewing. For this particular function, we're going to keep using our free sewing tool. If you look, the shortcut on the keyboard is an M. And this time we're going to use the addition of the shift key to select multiple lines to which we're going to free sew our white box. So 1 length is our top sew line, and M is a multiple number of seam lines that we're going to be sewing to with the addition of our shift key. So within free sewing, I'm going to begin by defining my first segment, my first section, since we're not actually using the segments. I'm going to click, skip, 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 click, right? So I'm not highlighting the intermediate points, only the beginning and the end of my seam line. Now, before I even begin to click on the next sections of sewing, I'm going to hold my shift key down, which you can see changed the color of my 1 segment. And now I'm going to start off by clicking on the start and end of each section of these flags that I want to sew to. So I'm going to click, skipping these, and click. If I were to release shift right now, the system would sew this entire long length of 18 inches to this one small length of 6, but I'm not done yet. I'm continuing to hold shift down while I press the left side and the right side of my sewing relationship, and you can see that it now is dividing that 18 inches among these 2 pieces. And now I'm going to complete the task by pressing the initial part and pressing the ending point, all while maintaining my shift key. And now as I release the shift key, the relationships are established. This is often useful when you're sewing the sleeve cap onto an armhole. The front and back armhole are often separate pieces, and so you can use your 1M free sewing to highlight the entire sleeve cap, and then use your shift key to identify the front and back of your bodice, for instance.